Surviving in the wild depends on your determination, but still it's highly recommended assembling an emergency kit of equipment to stay with you at all times in the wilderness. Anything can happen, like you could be lost or injured, but right gear can mean the difference between winning the wild and barely surviving the wild. So we have gathered 5 such wilderness surviving gears which you can have with you to have a strong support to dominate the odds and survive any uncertain conditions. Check them out. FiveJoy designs and develops technology in order to deliver eco-friendly and healthy lifestyle solutions to the community. Introducing the FiveJoy Military Folding Shovel Multi-Tool, an all-in-one survival tool that is a must-have for surviving in the outdoors covered. It includes heavy-duty shovel, sharp X blade, serrated saw edge, hammer, paracord, and whatnot. If you need to get yourself out from the trap or make the way out, you can dig trenches with this versatile multifunctional tool with a hidden rescue knife and saw. Additionally, it includes emergency whistle to send signal, fire starter, bottle opener, and more so that you can survive the cold. You can use this shovel to dig your car tires out of snow, mud, or ice, or use the shovel head as a glass breaker in any emergency. The FiveJoy Military Folding Shovel is forged from heat-treated, high-quality solid carbon steel, makes it rust, water, and fracture resistant. This military folding shovel is all you need if you are preparing for any survival kind of mission. S.O.L delivers the collection of essential survival tools in one lightweight, easy to carry, indestructible package to make people survive the unexpected condition with this. Introducing the Phoenix Survival Tool from S.O.L, the next generation of the survival outdoor longer portable tools. It is the most innovative multi-purpose fire starting tool on the market and incorporates more than 8 survival tools into one small pocket knife-sized multi-tool. This whole package includes a fixed blade knife with a serrated blade which you can use as a striker, wrench, and also flathead screwdriver. You can simply use the LED light to light your way around camp and clip the tool to your head to make a headlamp as well. It's compact and portable, makes it perfect for your home, car, and any travel adventures, along with meeting challenges of survival in the wilderness. The survival tool with its rugged multi-purpose knife is perfect for starting fires, lighting your way, signaling help, and expecting the unexpected. Morakniv has been manufacturing the highest quality survival knives since 1891, and their knives are built utilizing the highest quality steel that is optimized for taking any challenges. For any survival adventure, the Companion Spark is undoubtedly the hottest knife ever made. This versatile fixed-blade outdoor knife comes with a fire starter and built with a 3.9 inches hardened Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade that keep you equipped with carving, food prep, and cutting tinder. You can use it as a bushcraft knife as well to build shelter in the woods. This knife maintains an edge and stays sharp longer than carbon steel and is rust resistant for outdoor and marine applications where knives are exposed to dirt and moisture. It includes twist locks into the high-friction, anti-slip rubber handle, makes you always ready to meet any uncertain challenges. It includes sheath made of a durable polymer with a handy clip for easy attachment to a belt or pack. Overall, it is designed to be a reliable tool that performs in any weather condition. For any kind of survival situation, this knife works the best. Apart from that, you can also put it in the category of outdoor knives, bushcraft knives, and scout knives. No matter how you define your real life, Leatherman equips and prepares you for the everyday adventure or the unexpected challenge. Leatherman CHARGE is a multi-tool wire cutter which can be very useful as a survival gear in any uncertain condition. This multi-tool, crafted for everyday adventures, features crucial tools including upgraded, replaceable wire cutters so you have everything ready in your hand to face the challenge. Its scissors slice through anything. The wire cutters are made in a durable material and are replaceable. And the knife blade is made in a strong, corrosion-resistant 154 cm steel. So this little beast can get you out from any trap and keep you going for the survival. Overall, the Leatherman CHARGE Plus comes up with 19 tools. Each of them serves different purposes in the field of operation or mission. Every tool can be opened and locked with just one hand, so you have an extra hand to spare. For any survival mission, carrying a multi-tool is not an option, but a necessity. And among every multi-tools, Leatherman CHARGE Plus is undoubtedly the best. As you all know, Casio is world's largest manufacturer of innovative new digital cameras, watches, digital keyboard, pianos, calculators, projectors, label printers, cash registers, electronic dictionaries, and so on. Here we present the Casio GShock Mudmaster GWG1000, the top in our today's video. It is trusted by military personnel, law enforcement, surfers, and outdoor enthusiasts around the world for tackling any survival situation. This new Mudmaster GWG1001A3 model was created especially for those whose work takes them into areas where piles of rubber, dirt, and debris are present. It features the screw-in force of the screw lock bezel on an internal gasket, further increases mud resistance. It features triple sensor version 3 capabilities, provide instant access to direction, barometric pressure, and temperature information when needed under emergency conditions. The GShock GWG1000 features Casio's tough solar power system, nearly 2 years on a single charge, so if you get trapped in a powerless situation, it won't stop helping you. Its water resistance is up to 200 meters, so if you need to swim through a route, this watch won't hold you back. If you are looking for a watch that can survive any kind of condition in the wilderness, then you should go for the Casio GShock Mudmaster GWG1000. So that was all about the top 5 wilderness survival gear for you. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.